Cash for Crimes Criminal Scheme. Part 7. Cover-up of crimes by federal prosecutors. As bribed by Venkatesh and his family, federal prosecutors from the U.S. Attorney's Office in Chicago, led by former U.S. Attorney John R. Lausch Jr., former Assistant U.S. Attorney Lindsay C. Jenkins, who is currently a federal judge, Assistant U.S. Attorney Jason A. Julian, and later the acting U.S. Attorney Morris Pasquale, and the current U.S. Attorney Andrew Boutros, covered up the criminal history, including the felony criminal cases against Venkatesh, motive behind the murder-for-hire crimes, bribery of Chicago police and state prosecutors and judges, and the attempt and conspiracy to get me murdered by hiring hitmen, through the same cash for crimes criminal scheme. The prosecutors even tried to jeopardize the trial to get Venkatesh acquitted. Even though I was the main victim, witness, the federal prosecutors did not allow me to testify during the trial. And the second victim, witness, was my uncle, and they did not contact him until 2 weeks before the trial. The case was filed on October 3, 2019, and my uncle was contacted on May 6, 2021, just 2 weeks before the trial started on May 18, 2021. And they gave him the wrong dates to testify in the court so that he would miss the date to testify. Despite their efforts, as my uncle could manage to testify during the trial, Venkatesh was convicted by a jury on May 27, 2021 for trying to get my uncle murdered, and he has been jailed in a federal prison since then. U.S. probation officers did not even contact me and my uncle when they prepared the pre-sentencing investigation report, PSR, who are supposed to record the statements from the victims about the impact of the crime and criminal history, including the arrest records of Venkatesh. Even though I reported the cover-up and further crimes by federal prosecutors to the former U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland, in April and October 2021, there was no action. I also reported this criminal scheme to the current U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi on February 26, 2025.